for the circuit to pass. So I will just try to switch it on now. So as you guys can see, the bulb is fixed. Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to repair a LED bulb. This is the normal LED bulb which we see in our households, but most of the times suddenly it will stop working. But most of the cases it won't be a major fault, it will be a minor problem which happens with the bulb. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So first I'll show you guys this bulb is not working. So this is the adapter which I'll connect and show you people. So I'll try to switch it on. See, the bulb is not working. I'm trying to switch it on, but the bulb is not working. Now for opening the LED bulb, what you have to do is just hold it tightly on the base and just try to open it like this, and you can get it open. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 tries, but after some time it will get opened. So this is the dome shape diffuser which is used, because directly if you see this, it will come into the eyes. So that is the reason they have given a diffuser. So this is how it looks like from inside. So as you guys can see, inside there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 LEDs are there, and there are 2 wires coming here. So mostly this all is connected in series. So what happens is, when one of the LEDs stop working, the whole the series will get disconnected, because it's like a series connection. This is connected to this, this is connected to this. So if one LED will stop working, the whole LED will stop. So if you find which is the faulty LED, we can fix the whole bulb. So for finding that, I'll show you guys what to do. For that, what you need is a normal piece of wire. So with this, we'll first find the LED, the faulty LED, and after this I'll show you guys how to fix it. So I'll again just go ahead and connect the adapter to it, or socket to it, and I'll just fix it to the power supply. And make sure you don't touch these 2 wires. So now what you have to do is, go ahead and try to touch both the wires on either side of the LEDs. So I'm touching this LED, there is no change. So that means that this LED is not causing any problem. So next I'll go to the next LED. This is also not causing any problem. So I'll go ahead with the next LED. This also is not causing any problem. This also is not causing any problem. But as you can see, if you look closely, you can see that this is a thing I'm telling. See here, you can see there is a small dot on this LED. So mostly I think this is the LED which is the faulty one. So I'll try to cross check it once instead of going all the way. So yeah, see, when I try to cross it, you can see that the bulb is working. See, actually, yeah, see, I crossed it correctly. So one more time I'll show you guys. This is the faulty bulb. See, now it started working. See. So it confirmed that this is the faulty LED. So now I'll show you guys how to fix it. So this is the faulty one. So what you have to do next is take a plier or anything, actually, because I have a plier, so I'm using it, and try to remove this LED. It's so easy, it can be removed actually. So you can see that once you remove the lid, you can see that there are diodes going inside. See, there are 2 diodes going inside. This is the one which connects the completely the circuit. So we'll just once fix and see if that diodes connection is there or not. Just connect it. See, this is the diodes. So just try to cross it. See, when I cross it there, this 2 diodes which I showed, when these 2 diodes get crossed, the circuit is complete. So the circuit is getting complete. So now what you have to do is, we are going to put a bit of solder between these 2 gap actually, so that the circuit is complete. So now the solder is hot, so I'm going to try to solder it. For soldering, we are going to just melt a piece of the soldering iron and going to put it here. See. See, I melted and put it a soldering iron. So mostly this is more than enough for the circuit to pass. So I will just try to switch it on now. So as you guys can see, the bulb is fixed. So that was the only thing. I'll try to focus it, but the bulb is too bright. Let me check. Yeah, I can see that, except the bulb which we fixed right now. So this is the bulb we fixed right now. Except that bulb, all the other bulbs start glowing. So switch it off. You can see the difference. See, it is so bright. So all the bulb has started working. It's so easy. Many people, what happens is, once the LED is gone, they will just throw it off thinking that it can't be repaired. So it's as simple as this. What I did, I'll just zoom it and show you the repair. So you can see that it's as simple as that. There's a small soldering lead I have just melted and put it there, which shows the board diodes of the LED, the broken LED. So all the other LEDs started working. So again, I'll show you guys after fixing. Actually, I'll put this also back now. For putting it back, nothing is there. Just hold it and press it. So it is looking brand new now, good as new. Just put it back on the socket. 3, 2, 1, turn it on. So you can see that the bulb is working perfectly. I'll turn it off and I'll turn it on. The bulb is working perfectly. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. So it is a simple and easy trick which you can do it at your home itself. If you have, only thing which you need is a soldering iron. It will just cost about 200 rupees. You can get from a local electronic shop, and you can always go ahead and fix all your LED bulbs like this instead of throwing it off. So if you guys have any doubt on this video, you can put it on the comment. I'll try to reply to it as soon as possible. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.